Good morning, caterpillars. How are you today? It's so cold outside, isn't it? I just got done going on a walk and it was very cold. Even some of the roads were iced over. So the water had frozen and it became very, very slippery. All right, our month is February. Help me spell February. I'll say the letter, you say the letter. February. February. Here is our calendar. Let's find out what number it is today. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is the 15th of February. Today is Monday. It is a Monday. Monday starts with the letter M. Here is the letter M for Monday. What is the weather like today at your house? Can you let me know? Look at our graph so far. Look at how different the weather has been in February. We have had the same number of sunny and cloudy days. We've had a snowy day, a foggy day. How many days has it been windy? 3. And how many days have we had rain? 2. Let's find out what we're going to do today. Today is Monday. The weather is cold and cloudy. Is it snowing right now at your house? And then you will draw something that starts with the letter M. So afterwards, we're going to sort some things and you will draw something that starts with the letter M. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with our alphabet. I'll say the letter and the sound, and you copy. J, J. Z, Z. F, F. D, D. T, T. R, N, N. S, S. I, Q, Qu. L, O. O, E, A. K, K. G, G. A, H, M, C, K. U, V, P, B, B. Right, let's do our numbers. 2, 4, 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 10, 9. Good work, guys. All right, let's take a look at our alphabet. What letters are hidden? Remember, these are in ABC order. So you can start up here and do A, B, C, D, E. Good job. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. What's that last one? It comes after Q and before S. Q, R. Good work. Do these words rhyme? 6 sticks. Good job. 6 and 6 are rhyming words. Do these words rhyme? 8 gate. 8 and gate are rhyming words. Good job. Do these words rhyme? Kite, mouse. You're right, those do not rhyme. You ready to stupetize? Stupetize. Name them as fast as you can. How many shapes do you see? 3. How many shapes do you see? 5. Good job. I see a 3 over here and a 2 here. 3 and 2 is 5. How many shapes do you see? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 shapes here. Good work. All right, so my question right now is I have 4 hearts here. How many hearts are hidden under this square? If I have 4 on this paper and one is hidden, or some are hidden, how many are hidden? 1, 2, 3. I have 3, but I need 4. So how many are hidden? 1. 1 heart is hidden. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, there are 4. Let's look at this one. It says I have 3 hearts on my page, but I only see 1. How many hearts are hidden? How can I figure that out? I have 3, but I only see 1. So I wonder how many hearts are going to be hidden. 2. 1, 2. You guys are good at that. Do these words have the same beginning sound? Jellyfish, hat. Jellyfish, hat. Do they have the same beginning sound? You're right. No, they do not. Jellyfish starts with a j sound. Hat starts with the h sound. Do these words have the same beginning sound? Goggles, gorilla. Goggles, gorilla. Do they have the same beginning sound? Good work. What sound is that? What sound did you hear? G. Good. A G makes the g sound. They both begin with the g sound. Do these words have the same beginning sound? Mop, man. Mop, man. Good work. Mop and man have the same beginning sound. All right, let's put some sounds together to create the word. Let's find out what word this is. Say it with me. Ah, t. Try it again. H, ah, ah, t. Ot. Hot. Ooh. Hot. Whew. It is not hot outside, is it? We'll do one more. All right. Let's say the sounds. H says ha, ha, ha. E says eh, and N says n. So we have n, n. What word is that? N. A hen. Good work. All right, math stories. If I see 2 cars and then 3 trucks came, how many will I have altogether? 2 plus 3 is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will have 5. Let's do some subtraction, taking away. Miss Cochran had 5 dump trucks. They were hauling lots of dirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 5 dump trucks. And this time, look at this, I have to take away. That means I'm going to subtract. I'm going to take away. So how many do I need to take away? 4. And 4 drove off. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many will I have left? 1. I will have 1 left. Good work. Hey guys, so this week we're talking about transportation. So this week I need your help. I need to help sort objects into this truck that begin with the letter M, the sound. Can you say that with me? And in this truck, everything needs to be put in there that begins with the J sound. Can you say J? We're going to listen to those beginning sounds and we're going to sort them. If you think it begins with the sound, the M, put your hand on your head. If you think it goes in the J sound, put your hand under here for J, J, J. All right? Hand on your head for M, hand under your chin for J so you can help me sort them. Microwave, microwave. Does it begin with a or a J? Good work. Microwave will go in this dump truck. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Good job. Jellyfish begins with the J sound. How about jar? Let me see your hands. Is it a or a J? It is a J. Good. Moon, moon. Is it a or a J? Moon begins with a sound. Good work. How about Mario? Mario. Good work. Mario does begin with that sound, the letter M. How about juice? Juice. J is for juice. Good. And last one, monster. Where would I put monster? Good job on your head. You hear that sound? I'm going to put it over here. So today we sorted by M and we sorted by J. And J. Can you draw me something that begins with the sound? All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.